Hello, my name is Bhakti. Welcome to Bag Full of Art. In this video, I am going to show you 3 basic brush strokes from which a painting can be built. Let's start with the first stroke. First stroke is a thin line. We have to paint this with the tip of our brush. Hold the brush 90 degrees to your paper and with only tip start dragging the brush on the paper. Your thin line will depend on how much pressure you apply to the brush. Now let's see the second stroke. The second stroke will be painting with the belly of the brush. Belly of the brush meaning the broader part of the brush. Now take your brush 45-degree angle to the paper and apply pressure. The more pressure you apply, the flatter the brush will get on the paper and you'll have a broader stroke. I am applying the pressure on the paper from a different angle, so I am painting in a different direction. Now let's see our third stroke. So third stroke is a mix of first and second stroke. So thin line, thick line, and the third stroke is thin and thick line together. So keeping the brush 90 degree to the paper and painting a thin line, gradually increasing the pressure. Gradually releasing the pressure to make it a thin line again. I'll show it once again. Thin line, gradual pressure, decrease the pressure, and again thin line. So there you go. I hope this helps you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.